तशरीफ लाए रब के पैगंबर जमीन पर, तशरीफ लाए रब के पैगंबर जमीन पर, रहमत के फूल खिल गए बंजर जमीन पर, रहमत के फूल खिल गए बंजर जमीन पर, और अजमत बढ़ा दी चूम के जिसकी रसूल ने, अजमत बढ़ा दी चूम के जिसकी रसूल ने, महफूज है आज भी वो पत्थर जमीन पर, महफूज है आज भी वो पत्थर जमीन पर। Assalamu alaikum and a warm good morning to all of you. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. Today I am going to deliver a speech about Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, character, conduct and teachings. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was an orphan, and he understood the feelings of orphans well and loved them. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught Muslims that the best house amongst their houses is the one where an orphan is treated well. During his times, girls and women were looked down upon amongst their houses. During his times, girls and women looked down upon Arab amongst and were treated poorly. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, raised and protected the status of women in society by granting their rights and respect and treated them with respect. He taught that the best person amongst their us, who is the best in treating their us. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught whoever has 2 or 3 daughters and he brings them up well will enter in heaven. Regarding neighbors, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught about who is one troubles his neighbor will not be admitted in heaven. He also pointed out he is not a true Muslim who eats his fill and his neighbor will not eat starving. On the rights of workers, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said he is emphasized that a worker should be paid his wage before his sweat dries up. People used to treat their workers and slaves unjustly in the pre-Islamic Arab society, making them work beyond their capacity. That's why the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "O people, they are also humans and are your brothers. Feed them from what you eat, clothe them from what you wear. Do not burden them beyond their capacity. If there is such a task, then assist them yourself." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught about loving children and respect elders. He said that who is not kind to children and respect elders, he is not on the straight path. Regarding truthfulness, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "O people, speak truthful, because the truth leads to good actions and good actions lead to heaven." That's why I want to say in Hindi, जिसमें यासी को साए से अलग रखा, जिसमें यासी को साए से अलग रखा, नूर को उसने अंधेरे से अलग रखा, नूर को उसने अंधेरे से अलग रखा, और फासला इश्क की शिद्दत को बढ़ा देता है, फासला इश्क की शिद्दत को बढ़ा देता है, इसीलिए काबा मदीने से अलग रखा। और एक नुक्ता भी गवारा नहीं नामे मोहम्मद पर, एक नुक्ता भी गवारा नहीं नामे मोहम्मद पर, इसीलिए तो नामे महबूब को नुक्ते से अलग रखा। I wind up my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Thank you so much.